Hey, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take one of these, a GoPro Hero, and we're going to connect it to your Samsung TV, but we're also going to show you how you can use it as a monitor and how you can record with your GoPro and then be able to see the footage straight away up on your big screen TV. Come on, this is such a quick and easy thing to do, and it's kind of fun. Alright, so here's our GoPro Hero, and this one's inside the Media Mod. So today I'm using a GoPro Hero 9, but the Media Mod does fit the 9, 10, 11, and the 12. And up here on the top right-hand corner, you can see how I've connected the Micro HDMI to this top little input there on the back of the Media Mod. And if we look on the back of the TV, that silver cord there, that is the connection to the HDMI. All right, so I've turned on my Samsung TV. I've got it connected to the GoPro, as you saw previously. Now I'm getting this message here which says there's no signal. That just means you've got to turn the GoPro on. Take a second for it to recognize it. And as you can see right now, there's a bit of a spiral happening here. And now it's picked up that it's connected to the GoPro, which is great. So right now behind me on the TV, you can see a little thumbnails of all the most recent videos that I've actually recorded onto my GoPro Hero. So from the main home screen for your media, you can see at the top there we have all the different icons. Left, select, that's one with the finger. Right selector as well, and the one on the far right over here, the fourth option looks like a bit of a GoPro. So we're just going to use the mode button right now to press and select that option. And you can see on the screen how it's changed. Now, one thing to remember is that your screen will go black on the back of your camera. That's because you're now using the TV, in this case, as a monitor. Have a look on the TV right now. You can see the vision which is coming directly from my camera. And if you press the shutter button, just momentarily, it'll show you all your options, just as you would see on the back of your GoPro Hero. Now, you can press it again and it'll start recording, which is great. So right now, in a second, it's recording. So at the top of the screen there, you can see the time. You can see on the top left there how much space is left on your SD card. And on the top right-hand corner, you can actually see how much battery space you've got left. So I'll just press the stop button right now, or press the shutter to stop it. If you press this mode button here, that will go to the other options available. So if you click it once, you're going to bring it up to the camera option, and if I tap the shutter now, it's going to now give me the option to go into the photo mode. Press it again, it'll take you into your time warp or your time lapse mode, and press it again to get it back to your video mode. Okay, now if you tap the mode button again, you can go onto this oblong here, which is the same as on your back of your GoPro, and if you press the shutter button, it'll give you the other options that are available when you go into the video mode, like looping. And so I'm just going to get it back now to video. Okay, so now she's back to cinematic. If you want to see your footage, all you need to do is tap that mode button again. Tap the mode button again. It comes back to this icon where it has 9 squares. If you then press the shutter, it's now going to bring you back to your media splash screen that we saw at the start. Using your GoPro as a monitor while you record footage is just one of the many, many things you can do with your GoPro Hero. To learn more about GoPros, mounts, accessories, and all that kind of jazz, you want to click on this video over here. Click on this video over here now. As usual, thank you for watching. I do appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.